Let us start learning science again with more properties of materials. Now, today I'm going to give you a small activity. Please bring along with you a glass of water, tissue, or a small cloth. Did you bring it? Now, take the tissue, dip it in the water. What is happening, or what can you see is happening? The water gets inside the tissue. Remove the tissue, keep it aside. Now take the cloth what you have brought. A small piece of cloth, I think. Again, dip it in the same glass of water. What is happening? Again, the same thing. The water is taken or is inside the cloth. It means the cloth is getting wet. And also the tissue which you had done before was getting wet. So these are more properties of materials. Now all of you can look and open page 52 of your textbook. We know that a few materials can be waterproof. Also, what is the meaning of waterproof? Materials are things that do not let water to pass through. What do you use in rainy season? An umbrella. Why do you use an umbrella? Because it doesn't allow water or it doesn't allow you to get wet. You will be safe under the umbrella. What do you wear it? On your feet. Yes, it is boots. You can see the child in the picture on page 52 that he is wearing boots also, as well as a raincoat, so that he can be protected from the rain, because the things which are made up of plastic or used plastic in them will not allow water to penetrate or get inside. Now, look at the things again on page number 52, or look at the picture. In that picture, which material is see through? In the previous lesson, we saw that the jug was see through. Why? Because it was made of glass. Now, what is a material over here that is made of glass? On page number 52, there is a big picture, big question which is having a car and shops, and people are walking over there. Over here, you have a specs that you wear it. I think most of a few students in our class also are wearing glasses. They are see through. It means that even though you wear it, you can see through it what it is on the other side. So, the material glass has the property of see through it. We can see through it. When you sit in the class, also, we have a window. We can see what is on the other side of the window. And in the same way, when you sit in the car, there are glasses on all the sides. We can see through it and we can drive and reach home safely. So, the property of material over here of the glass is see through. Another picture on page 53 is a rubber band. I think mommy uses it to tie the pony. If you have it, you can bring it or take it and check. It is having the property of stretching, and then after you release it, it goes back to the same size. That is called elasticity. So things such as rubber band are stretchable, and also they are elastic in nature. Now we will know one more property of a material. Over here in the picture on page 53, we have a rope which is used to tie things, or even the silky threads which we use to sew the clothes. They can be bent easily. We can tie it anywhere. So, materials that can be easily bent and also are flexible together, such materials are rope. Now, another property of a material on the same page, if we look at the material, there is a sponge, and also I think you can find the tissue paper. These two materials are very, very important in the kitchen. Why do you think it is important? Mummy uses it. Why? Because most of the time, you children, when drinking water or drinking juice, you spill it on the floor. Mummy uses a tissue or a sponge to clean it. How? When you keep the tissue or the sponge on a wet object or water or a juice, it absorbs, means it takes all the water or soaks up the water. The better word would be soaks up the water. And then the floor is clean. Now, question time. What would you do when you spill the water? We clean. Clean with what? With tissue or with a cloth or a sponge, which I have shown in the previous slide. Now, can you tell me one difference in the next question? One difference between a waterproof and absorbent material. Same way we can see the meaning of waterproof. What is the meaning of waterproof? It does not allow water to get inside or pass through it. The opposite meaning would be of the absorbent. What? It will take all the water inside, or it soaks the water. Thank you.